welcome to my channel. My name is Shirley and I'm the owner of GlamStyle Events. I am so excited to have you join me here today. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a beautiful and elegant setup for your bridal shower. If it sounds like something you're interested in, please stay tuned.
Alright guys, so let's get started with our centerpiece. We'll be needing some white and ivory hydrangeas, peonies, ranunculus, some floral foam, a candle stand, and floral wire. Look how beautiful this pairs together. The white and ivory complement each other so well. Let me know what you think. Comment down below and let me know what you think, because I just love this combination. It's beautiful. After arranging your flowers, take the time to fluff and perfect the look till you're happy with it. Your centerpiece should look good from all angles. So take your time with it. Now look at that beauty. I'm in love. I took the opportunity to create a little table setting to give you a visual of how your centerpiece will look at your event. And voila! The table is small, but I'm filming from home, so I'm using what I have. You get the picture. You can further customize your table by adding favors, a place card, or a menu. And that's it. A beautiful table setting with a touch of glam. Your guests will completely appreciate this.
Well, this is all I have for you today. The setup is simply elegant. The look is crisp, it's beautiful, it's flirty, and it'll be perfect for your bridal shower. However, you can add more colors to it, customize it to represent you. Use it for your engagement party or even your wedding. Have fun with it. That's the goal. Just have fun and enjoy it. If you found this video helpful, kindly hit the like button below. Please consider sharing. Share with your bridal party. How about that? So go ahead and share this video. Also, subscribe to this channel so I know that you are enjoying content like this, and it'll encourage me to create more for you. It'll also help my channel grow, so show me some love and subscribe. Until next time, it's Shirley with GlamStyle Events, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!